Steffanie and welcome to Steffanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Steffanie's Journey family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you won't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today is Monday, so it is Misfits Market Haul. And I got the box yesterday, but I have been busy, so I was not able to open it and do a video yesterday. So I'm doing it today, and hopefully, you know, everything stays pretty cool. And they had ice in it, and nothing has gone bad to spin in the house, so shouldn't be. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my box this week, then stick around and stay tuned. Let me flip the camera around. All right, let's see what we got in this box here. And it's been sitting a long time because it's night. It's not even Sunday during the day. It's tax season. I am busy. Now I ordered some extra stuff this time. Oh, well, it's still cool. So I ordered extra mushrooms. These are oyster mushrooms. And I'm going to do a video. I keep saying that, but yeah. And I ordered some cranberry sauce. It's not cranberry sauce, some cranberries, because I just want to make some cranberry sauce. I love cranberry sauce, and I usually just have cranberries out during the holidays, but I just absolutely love it as something sweet. And since I can't eat any sweets, then I'm going to make me some cranberry sauce. And you can hardly, if you find them, you can't find organic. So I saw that they had them, so I got them, and I'm going to make me some cranberry sauce. I'll link the video up here if you want to get some cranberry sauce. I mean, you know my recipe for cranberry sauce. I have one here or here. I don't know which side it's on. It's on one of them. But those are two of the things I ordered. And I know I ordered extra oranges because I'm out. And, oh, and this I ordered oranges, spinach, and Brussels sprouts. Extra. And these were so good last time that I had them. And I don't know, I just ordered the spinach because I haven't been out to go grocery shopping, so I figured I'd just get my spinach here. And I got some Dino Kale, and this looks good. Doesn't look bad at all. Got one with a little bit of yellow, but cook this up soon and it'll be just fine. I got a big old bunch of spinach. And this spinach looks pretty good. They gave me quite a large amount of it, and it looks decent. And of course, this is just one serving because spinach cooks down so small. And some people just use this kind here for just salads, but I cook this down too, the same way I cook that down. And I bought this, then I ordered this, and then I decided to buy some too, because this is only, both of them really is only 2 servings if you're going to cook it down. Even if you're going to eat it in the salad, it's still 2 servings. I got a big zucchini, because I love zucchini. Ooh, don't fall off. Started rolling. And I got an eggplant, which this looks pretty decent, but it needs to be cooked soon. So I'll probably cook that tomorrow on my lunch break for my dinner. This box I pretty much got mostly fruit for the most part, because I needed fruit. Because I need sweets, because I'm not eating sugar for Lent and I need sweets, so I got fruit. They gave me one little head of broccoli crown. I did order, I guess I ordered a summer squash. So that was teeny tiny. I ordered some lemons. They haven't been having lemons. Every time I order lemons, it seems like they send me limes, but I'm glad that they actually had lemons today. I got 2 different types of pears. And that one's soft. So I don't like soft pears, so this side kind of hard, that side it's a little bruised. So it gotta be eaten soon if you eat it, because I don't like my pears soft at all. I won't even eat them soft. I eat an applesauce, but I won't eat a pear sauce. So I keep them in the refrigerator so they stay hard. And then I have 3 of these type of pears, and I don't know one type of pear from the other, but that's that. I got 2 Idaho potatoes, and I really just use these and bake them and cook them with something, whatever I'm fixing. And I got 2 humongous Navel Oranges. And I think I ordered all my oranges separate. I don't know if I picked any out of my pickings, but I may have. I don't know. I never can remember. But I do know I ordered these tangerines extra. And they're way bigger than they were last time. Thank God, because to me they were entirely too little. And I ordered 2 sets of those. So I should have 8. 4. No. Yeah, I got 8. And then I got 3 of these little oranges. And I don't know. They're just regular oranges. I'm assuming. But they may not be. And that's it. Let's see if they give me any recipe, anything this week. Oh, they did give me one this week. Let's see what it is. Recipe number 87, and it is sesame, ginger, and garlic noodles. I need to just take a picture of it. I'll take a picture of it, y'all. It never works. And I don't know why I be trying to do it. Alright. That's it, guys, for everything I got. As always, I will put it up on the screen to let you guys see if I got everything I ordered. But actually, I think I may have gotten everything I ordered this week, because I ordered a bunch of fruit instead of vegetables. I got a little bit of vegetables. And I didn't get collards this time because, of course, they didn't offer me collards this time. So I don't have them. All they had was the Dino Kale for me to select. Recap, we got tangerines, oranges, navel oranges. What I purchased is those, and some oyster mushrooms, and some organic baby spinach, some Brussels sprouts, and some organic cranberries. And then with my purchase, I got some Dino Kale, some spinach, a crown of broccoli, 2 different types of pears, 3 lemons, eggplant, summer squash, zucchini squash, and potatoes. And that is it for this week of everything that I purchased. Once again, I'll link the code on the screen below. They have 2 boxes you can order weekly or bi-weekly. I get the bi-weekly box, which is $22, and they have one for $35. I think my box is between 10 and 15 pounds, I think. And the other one may be between 15 and 20 pounds. I don't know. I put it on the screen. I don't remember that because, you know, this is not a sponsored video. I get 25% off if somebody uses my code, and they get 25% off their first box. Then they get a code, and they can share that code with whomever. So, that is it. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.